So good afternoon everyone. We're here in hotel. So only one day we're here. So this is one room. So there is three bedroom, three rooms. So ayan. Actually ito sana yung bed namin, kaya lang syempre may baby ako, so doon na lang ako sa sala with the baby. Taali wahab. So ayan. So ayan, andito na yung mashallah, nakahiga. Rest in peace. Rest na muna sila dyan. Tapos, uy, come. So, there is one here. So, this is the bathroom. So, ayan. And this is another room. This is for my boss and madam. This one. And here is sala. And here is sala. And also bathroom. Here is the kitchen. So there is of course talaga, may microwave, may lutuan. So nice. And then here is sala. So nice. Ayan. So makikita nyo lahat talaga dito. Ayan. 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 So mashallah, ang dami. So may, ayan, dagat.